Most learners don't know these 10 take expressions. Number 1, take off, means to fly or remove clothing. For example, the plane took off at 9 p.m. Another example, he took off his coat. Number 2, take up, means to begin a hobby, activity, or even a job. For example, she took up yoga last summer. Another example, he took up a new job in marketing. Number 3, take out, can mean remove something or invite someone on a date. For example, he took out the trash. Another example, he took her out to dinner. Number 4, take in, means to understand or even give someone a home. For example, it was hard to take in all the information. Another example, the family took in a stray dog. Number 5, take back, means to return an item or admit you were wrong. For example, he took the book back to the library. Another example, I take back what I said. Number 6, take after, means you're like a family member. For example, he takes after his father, they both love sports. Number 7, take down, means to write something or take something off the wall. For example, take down this number. Another example, they took down the poster. Number 8, take over, means to take control of a project, business, or task. For example, she took over the project when the manager left. Another example, the company was taken over by a tech giant. Number 9, take on, means to accept something challenging like a task or role. For example, he took on more work than he could handle. Number 10, take out on, means to express frustration on someone who didn't cause it. For example, he angry at his boss but takes it out on his family. Let's review. Take off, take up, take out, take in, take back, take after, take down, take over, take on, take out on. Which ones do you remember? Try using them in your own sentences. Well done. Keep practicing these phrasal verbs, and your English will sound more natural. Like, follow or subscribe for more English tips.